Welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about Mo. Perhaps you thought we were referring to this animal. Don't worry, it's not only you. At the end of this video, you will get to know what really Mo is in chemistry. Have you ever gone to the market before? I'm pretty sure you use words like dozen, crate, and many others. For example, could I get a dozen of eggs? You would expect the vendor to give you 12 eggs, right? Very good. What if you were watching a football match? Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo scores a hat-trick. Or Lionel Messi with a hat-trick on the night. This means each of them scored 3 goals, right? Good. Mo is similar to these units of measurement, but instead of counting individual items, it counts a large number of tiny particles. Very large number. When you say dozen, 12 comes to mind. So if I say Mo, what should come to mind? As I already said, it's a very large number. So 1 Mo is the amount of substance containing 6.02 times 10 to the exponent 23 elementary entities. You see, this number is not a joke. Hey, even counting 100 can be tiresome. So how much more counting is it? That's why scientists brought about Mo. But how did they find this number? Okay, so you can answer this question by looking at the 2 definitions of Mo. You can define Mo in 2 different ways. So definition number 1. Mo is the amount of substance containing as many elementary entities as there are carbon atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope. In 12 grams of carbon-12 isotopes. This means that in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotopes, you find 6.02 times 10 to the exponent 23 atoms. And that's the number for Mo. So the number of carbon atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope is 1 Mo. Another definition for Mo. Mo is the amount of substance containing 6.02 times 10 to the exponent 23 elementary entities. I'm saying elementary entities. What do I mean? I'm just referring to particles, so they could be either atoms, molecules, ions. As we all know, amount of substance is a physical quantity and it's part of the basic fundamental quantities. Yeah, I hope you remember. Okay, so it's designated by the small letter n, small n. So if you see that in our calculations, we are just referring to amount of substance or Mo. Okay, I hope you learned something new. But did you know something? The world of chemistry, all scientists, chemists, come together to celebrate Mo Day every 23rd October. 23rd October every year. They celebrate something called Mo Day. Read more about it and tell us what you got. Thank you very much for listening.